Toyota built some of the most reliable cars in history, but in 2026, they made a mistake so big, it shook the entire auto industry. And the scary part? They saw it coming, but still ignored it. Toyota is the world's largest car manufacturer, trusted by millions. From Corolla to Land Cruiser, Toyota became a symbol of reliability. But in 2026, while the world was racing forward, Toyota hesitated, and that hesitation became their biggest mistake. The big mistake. Toyota's biggest mistake in 2026 was underestimating the speed of change in electric vehicles. While companies like Tesla, BYD, and others went all in on EVs, Toyota stayed cautious. Too cautious. What went wrong? Governments pushed stricter emission laws. EV prices dropped faster than expected. Charging networks expanded worldwide. Customers started asking why Toyota was late. Competitors moved ahead. Chinese brands dominated affordable EVs. Tesla focused on software and autonomy. Other brands delivered stylish electric options. Toyota was forced to play catch-up. Why this was shocking? Toyota's careful planning became a weakness. They were too slow in a fast-changing market. Can Toyota recover? Toyota still has money, engineers, and trust. But timing is everything in the auto industry. Toyota didn't fail because they were weak. They failed because they waited.